What's going on, guys? I'm Bradshaw. I'm here at the Sturgis Rally here in the JMP Cycles parking lot, and right behind me is the WildAss booth. This here is a motorcycle that I rode in on. I've been using my WildAss Air Cushion on every machine that I've ridden this week, and I got to tell you, my WildAss Seat Cushion is keeping me nice and cushy and comfortable as I'm riding around today. Man, again, WildAss Seat Cushion keeping me comfy for the ride today. The miles I've been putting down, probably 300 miles a day. Definitely wouldn't be able to do it comfortably without a WildAss seat cushion. Now, stepping on over this direction, we're going to see the owner of WildAss. This is WildAss Craig. Hello, Craig.
Hey, Kyle. How you guys doing today? How's everybody in the YouTube world doing is what I should say.
Hopefully they're doing amazing.
Here we are at Sturgis, and I'm confused. I've been talking to groups of people all day, so I love having you stop by, Kyle.
So here inside the WildAss booth, Craig, I've been using your technology, your cushions, for years and years and years. What, in the most simplified format, can you tell people as to why your cushions work?
It's just simple science. I know in today's day and age, science doesn't always mean everything, but you know what? If you have pressure points, you are going to get sore. We eliminate said pressure points so you don't get sore. All right, simple. I mean, it seems simple, right? That's all it is.
It is. So let's turn to the table and take a look at 3 different materials that Craig uses inside his cushions that make you the most comfortable possible.
So our simplest cushion, what we recommend for almost everybody on the planet, the average motorcyclist only rides about 3,000 miles a year. They go out for a ride, they put on a couple hundred miles, they're super excited, but they still get a little bit sore. That's okay. A couple hundred miles is a long day. If you're putting that on over a day, you're gonna get, you're gonna stop, you're gonna see the sights, you're gonna do all the things. For that rider, we have the light material, which is a super durable polyurethane that doesn't have any issues with durability at all. It's like, doesn't stretch, that's the downfall. Straight across the board, we're gonna get rid of those 2 pressure points, and we're gonna flow air through this cushion. So what you'll see, if you touch these with your hand, they go flat, right? But when you sit on it, the air goes where it needs to keep you floating barely off of your seat. 1/8 of an inch is all we need. We don't want to change your riding position. We don't want to change how your mirrors are, your windshield is. We want you comfortable right where you're at. We just want you to not have those pressure points so you can ride longer. Next up is our air gel line. We're the only company in the world that does this. If you do the same thing, all the interconnected air cells, the gel rises to the top of that air cell. So if you see that, what you get as a result is a gel pad that takes your shape. The air underneath is the operating component. You're not gonna have pressure points because the air underneath has eliminated those. Gel pad, flowing air, gonna keep you cool, gonna keep you dry. The Cadillac of all seat cushions is our classic material. This is a neoprene rubber material. The intended use for this material is actually therapeutic wheelchair cushions. See this? See how that stretches nice and easy? What that does is it absorbs all of that energy that comes into the body through the seat. So the way we explain this to people is if I blow up a balloon and I smack that balloon, the bulge goes out the other side before the shock gets to the other hand. Same thing right here. The reason this is so important in the medical world is paraplegics and quadriplegics can't tell when something is going wrong internally, so we have to isolate them from all of that energy. There is no better material than neoprene rubber. The translation for that, those of us that can feel, we know what's going on, you're gonna stop feeling those highway cracks all day long. They're not gonna be transferred through the seat. The vibration of the bike, that energy is not gonna transfer into your body. How about that bridge that sends that jolt right up your back? We're gonna eliminate that through the side of this cushion. That's what makes this cushion so great. This cushion, if you got guys riding 1,000-mile days, repeatedly 500-mile plus days, any long distance, back injuries, nerve issues, this is really a game changer everywhere you sit. That's another thing, not just on the motorcycle. Use it in your vehicle, use it in your office chair, use it in the bleachers when you go to the kids' football games. Racetrack, sit in the bleachers on it. Everywhere you go, your WildAss can go with you and make you feel better. Let's talk about sizes. So You got the whole gamut here on the table because here we are at another rally. The Smart is our largest cushion at 15.5 inches wide. You can see it on the Street Glide seat that Kyle's showing you. So that is our Smart shaped cushion. Our saddle is what I was showing you here. This one, if you set it down on the Smart, you'll see it's just a couple of inches narrower, so a little bit smaller seat. A lot of the new Harley baggers, they put a smaller seat on them, so we have a seat for that. Our Sport cushion, kind of what it says, sport bikes, Sportsters, Dynas, small seats, step-up seats, those kind of seats. We're 12 inches wide, narrows to the front, so like that's your front seat. You got the back, there's a nice flat pillion. That's what you're going to want on the front. If you're carrying a passenger and you have a small pillion or a smaller back seat, this is the cushion for you. 9 inches wide by 11 long. One of the bonuses of this seat is you can sit on it either along the seat or across the seat. You got some choices here. So those are the 4 sizes of cushion, and don't get me wrong, these can be used anywhere. Softails, CVO baggers. This is a great back seat for those as well. Oftentimes, this is a good back seat for a lot of the aftermarket seats where they put a 13-inch wide back seat on there for the passenger. Way better than the factory seat. Still going to get those pressure points. We got a cushion for that. If you're on the big touring bikes, the Goldwing, the BMW 1600s, the Ultra Classics, bikes with a big cushion on the back, our Smart cushion works well for them as well.
And that there, my friends, is the nitty-gritty from WildAss Craig himself. Thanks, Craig, for the time. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thanks for stopping by, Kyle. We hope to see all of you guys at a rally near you.
And remember, if you're not here at the rally, if you're here at the rally, swing by and get this cushion from Craig. But if you're not here at the rally, if you are visiting this on YouTube at a later date, please visit the link down below, manybikes.biz. I sell these cushions, and I believe in them, and that's where I would like you to purchase them from. That way I get a little cut, and you get the savings of having a soft, cushy ride on your motorcycle. Thanks, guys. Until next time, take care, and ride safe out there.